May data po kaya ang Philippine Rice kung ilan ang consumer wastage ng Pilipinas kada taon?
Ang data po namin, well, it's actually 2 tablespoon of rice is wasted by every person daily, a day.
Oh, wow.
Kung i-compute yun, ma'am, mga...
That would be costing around 7 million pesos. Million pesos. Mama.
7 million a day.
The
Buong taon
year
na
po
po
yan.
yun.
A year. 7 million for a year.
So ano po siya?
Which could feed 2.5
Million
million
Filipinos.
Filipinos sana kaysa na waste.
So ano po siya? 10 grams actually per person. Just around 384,000 metric tons po siya per year. 384. Almost 385,000 metric tons.
Per year.
Per year po.
Yes po.
Ma'am, about sa wastage, ano po yung dahilan? Bakit ganun kadami yung mga nasasayang na kanin, bigas kada taon?
Ano po ba napapansin natin pag may fiesta, no? Marami kasi yung sabi nga natin takaw mata. So we are actually, the campaign says, get only what you need. And in what we have done in the past was to encourage a half cup serving as default. No? And some of the provinces actually in cities, restaurants in the cities and provinces partnered with us to make sure that we could have a default serving of half cup of rice para hindi sayang yung ano, hindi maiwasan natin ang wastage. And
thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.